Facebook. How's everybody doing out there today? It's Bona, OnlyWoodFloors, and we're here in San Clemente, California, and we are doing a sand, stain, and refinish on these white oak floors. And let me tell you, finding this wood was a difficult one. Um, it's a 7 foot by 8.5, actually 8 3/4 wide, and it's 9/16 thick. Um, Tarquette used to make this wood before. They don't make it no more. So, actually found a company that makes it. Bowen makes it now. So, yeah, I mean, it saved the day for us. But yeah, we're definitely getting ready to call it quits on this one, and just something fell out of the sky. So let me turn this shit on, show you guys what we got. So it's pretty much an insurance claim is what we're looking at. Um, an insurance claim. Let me take you through this floors. So this is where we're at. It's the hallway. There's no light in here, so it's a little bit dark, but apparently they had a leak upstairs in the upstairs bathroom. It ran down all the way down the wall. It cut out all this section of wood here. And so we're gonna go there. We're gonna sand everything here. Sand everything in this bathroom. And take it all the way up to here. So this is basically what we're looking at. Okay, so that's where we're at. That's what we're looking at. We're looking at maybe, I don't know, it's 570 feet, but probably a 3-day project. But I'll keep a video, keep you guys posted.